tanim anayo. Tatatayin mo.
What?
Tatain
What?
mo.
Tanim.
Tanin mo. Tanin.
Tanim, malabis tanim. Tara, tanim tayo.
Snayo.
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog, Kevin May channel. So today my wife is driving for me.
Hi.
We are going on a trip guys. This is a place, we are now in Kanchanaburi. Kanchanaburi is like a province here in Thailand. See that, Marab? See that? I don't know if you can see in the camera, but that is where we're going.
The building.
Yeah,
In
it's like a
500
mountain.
meters, turn right.
Ooh, we're almost there.
Wow. So guys, this is very provincey. I like it.
He's eating the steak, Kevin. He's
Huh?
hungry. Oh,
You wanna smooch? Come on, let's look.
Kevin, the lady's not looking.
Come on, let's look. Hi. Okay.
No.
Wow, look, he's walking on the bridge.
Don't do that.
You like a beauty queen, huh?
No. Okay, let's go back. We are at Mina Cafe.
In a cafe?
Yes, Mina Cafe.
Ito ang una namin pinuntahan ni Chanel, ang Mina Cafe. At sa pagpasok pa lang namin ay nakita namin ang isang napakalaking rice field. Makikita mo ang drinks nila at mga desserts nila ay napaka-affordable talaga guys. Kaya umorder muna kami ni Chanel. Ang in-order ko pala ay cappuccino at ang in-order ni Chanel ay butterfly pea. Huh?
Stop ไว้
Ah,
Statue?
ตายแล้ว
dahil lang? Siya?
เขานั่นไว้เฉย
Huh?
ๆเขาเรียกว่าสตาฟ
Ang buong akala namin ni Chanel ang ibon na ito ay totoo. Pero hindi kami makapaniwala. Para kasing totoo. Yun pala ay ginawa nila itong taxidermy. Dating ibon, tapos ginawa nilang stuffed toy. Wow! Cappuccino, one noy. One noy. One noy?
Cappuccino.
One noy. Dead?
Pig? Is it a pig?
เลี้ยวบัตรสตาฟ
Huh?
you know สตาฟ
Ah, taxidermy I think. He's dead already. He's dead. The bird is dead. Puka, thank you.
We can wait.
Yeah.
Let's take it? Okay, let's take a photo. Like a rice patty.
Huh?
This is a rice patty, right?
Yeah, that's right. That is where they harvest, you know. Yeah.
I need to have a photo.
Shout out to the farmers here in Thailand because the rice is so good and delicious and very cheap here. Guys, alam niyo ko ba kung magkano ang rice dito sa Thailand? Ang 5 kilong rice, ano na siya guys, jasmine rice na yun. Nasa 159 baht. Diba, mura? Habang nililibot namin ang lugar na ito ay hindi ko talaga maiwasang mapangiti. Agoy! Kaya naman naisipan kong gumawa ng video dito para kay Chanel. Para makita niya kung gaano ko siya kamahal. Tara, panoorin natin.
Bye-bye!
Paano nga ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Batid ko na nasaktan kita ng labis at sinabi ko sa'yo na kaya kong limutin ka. Bakit ngayon?
Look, the spirits!
Sorry.
Patay ka ngayon bata ka.
Sawadika! Tara, tanim anayo. Tatatayin mo.
What?
Tatain
What?
mo.
Tanim.
Tanin mo. Tanin.
Tanim, malabis tanim. Tara, tanim tayo.
Smile. This is the life.
Ate, bango na.
I'm auntie.
Yeah, your auntie, your tita now, ha?
Yes. Taram inom. Pare. It's good. Gusto mo mahal ko? Gusto mo naman ako?
Huh? I want mine. Guys, we are going up to the mountain with this very fancy hydraulic BTS train. This is choo-choo train, but going up. Instead of going like this, it's going up like this.
Slant.
It's going to heaven.
Slanting.
This is the train going to heaven. We're just going to see some structures. Malapit lang pala ito sa cafe na pinuntahan namin, kaya minabuting pinuntahan na namin ni Chanel ang lugar na ito. Napakataas ito at kailangan mo sumakay sa coaster nila papunta sa taas ng bundok kasi nakakapagod pag gagamitan mo ng hagdanan. Talaga naman guys, sobrang taas nito at talagang nakakapagod. Sa tagpong ito ay pagod na kami pareho ni Chanel. At kaya naman minabuti namin ni Chanel na puntahan na agad ang pinakamagandang view sa lugar na ito at pagkatapos ay maghahanap na kami ng aming makakain. At ito rin pala ang problema namin, bababa na naman ulit kami at nakakapagod. Wow. This is Kanchanaburi. Wow, look, there's so many people without head. We are now at the River Kwai Bridge. There were I don't know what's the story, but... Hi! Before we continue the video, let me explain you on what really happened on this place. During World War II, the Japanese forced over 60,000 Allied powers and 180,000 Asian laborers to build a railway from Thailand to Burma to support their war effort. A key part of this bridge was built over the River Kwai in Kanchanaburi, Thailand. The war was brutal, with thousands of dying, exhaustion, disease, and abuse. The project became a symbol of suffering and sacrifice. Today, this bridge still stands as the historical site and the remainder of the war. Wow! River Kwai Bridge! Soto.
You wanna go kayaking? Wanna go kayaking?
No. Hey, baby.
I want here, I want to up the bridge. Yes, like
Bridge?
this. Mauko. Walang chuchu dito. Walang chuchu.
Chuchu?
Chuchu.
Chuba chuchu?
Chuba chuchu.
Ano ba?
Memory.
Yeah. Kaubun kay
You're looking at this and I'm looking at this.
Boat trip.
How much?
You walk? Skywalk? Cape?
Yeah, how much is this?
Go and back. How many people?
Two.
One boat, 1,000 baht together.
1,000.
2 years.
Yeah.
And this the cave.
Cape, 1,200. Yeah.
Wow, kaubun kay.
Yeah. Boat stop.
Yeah, next time we come back.
Thank you.
Thank you, we eat. Okay.
You want look around half hour?
Thank you,
It's okay, Kap. Thank you. 600 baht. Okay, Kap. We check first. Thank you. Yeah. Lanahan. Yes. Two. It's okay. Yeah. Two cup.
Wave.
See,
Can
manap.
you try we can come?
We can just. I want to dance there like la 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 la.
Wow! Did you look? Rice.
Caldero.
Rice. But
This is tom yum, guys. Very delicious.
our favorite vacation food.
Sara mo na yung kalan. Isala mo yung sa. Isala mo.
Kuya! Bilis! Chuchu! Tara na, Mako!
You can use the low light mode. Hey guys, what's up? So we are now here at the camping site. So guys, we are going to do some camping. We have our own tent. Kaupon Camp. It will be our first time doing camping. I never done camping. Have you done camping before?
Yes.
Huh? Really?
In the wilderness with the wild
This is my
animals.
first time, guys. Check in. This is what you call tipid budget, guys, no?
This is how you do it.
Hello. Yeah. What is your name, Cholay?
Film.
Tim, okay. Kevin.
Kevin.
Yeah. Hello. Nice to meet you.
From?
Philippines, and she's from South Africa. Yeah, Fin. Here we can.
So here,
I think yes.
Yeah,
We can click.
yeah, photo, right? Okay.
look the view.
Yeah, okay, cut. Yeah.
Okay.
And today I'm show you movie.
Oh,
Yeah.
you have the movie?
Yes.
We can watch. We can go
Oh.
inside there.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Oh wow, that's so cool.
So guys, we're gonna stay here for a night. We already pay. It's 150 baht each person. So for both of us, 300 since we have our own tent. Yeah. Sabay namin ginawa ang aming tent. Habang hinihila namin ang lubid at itinatayo ang mga poste nito, ay napaisip ako. Parang relasyon din namin to nung nagsisimula pa lang kami. Maraming mga trial and error. May mga pagkakataon na lilito kami kung anong susunod namin gagawin. Pero pinipili namin pag-usapan, pagtulungan at ituloy. Unting-unting tumitibay at unting-unting nagkakaroon ng anyo. Ang tent na ito ay parang relasyon namin. Pinaghirapan, pinagtutulungan at higit sa lahat, puno ng pagmamahalan. Ang buong akala ko ay tapos na ang ginagawa naming tent. Meron pa pala itong kulay gray na kailangan pang ilagay para protection naman sa araw at sa ulan. At habang ginagawa namin ang tent ay may lumapit sa amin na tao. Kinabahan ako ng konti kasi hindi namin kabisado ang lugar na ito at gabi na rin at wala kaming makitang anumang tao maliban sa kanya. Oo nga pala, medyo nakakaintindi ako ng konting pasatay pero nahihirapan pa rin talaga ako. Pero sa pagkakaintindi ko ay may binibenta siyang mangga at honeybee o pulot-pukyutan. Nang makita ko si Lolo na may dalang mangga at honey na wala ang aking kaba, inoobserbahan ko kasi muna ang isang tao bago ko siya tuluyang kausapin. Para na rin sa proteksyon namin dalawa ni Chanel. Hindi kasi namin kabisado ang lugar na ito, kaya kahit anong oras kailangan laging alerto. Sa tagpong ito, naalala ko ang aking lolo. Noong siya'y nabubuhay pa, madalas kami magkasama noon sa bakura namin. May punong mangga at lagi niya akong pinapakain ng mangga at saging at na banana Q. Gustong gusto ni Lolo na ibenta sa akin ang lahat ng paninda niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi ko na lang po kukunin Lolo, bibigyan na lang po kita ng pera. Ngumiti siya at nag-iwan ng kaunting mangga para sa amin. What is your dog name? Jojo. Nilapitan pala kami ni Film na siya nagbabantay sa lugar na ito. May kasama siyang aso na tila nagpapatrolya sa lugar. Tiningnan nila kami kung ayos lang kalagayan namin. Napakaganda ng lugar na ito guys at napakatahimik. Naalala ko ang kabataan ko kung gaano kasarap maging bata. Pero masarap din maging matanda dahil naranasan ko magmahal ng totoo. Anything for Mama Iga. Anything for you, my love.
Thank you, Mama.
I will give it to you.
Love you.
It's nice, right?
So
And look, we have someone is watching there.
a wonderful view.
Wonderful view, guys, right? Oh, see, someone is watching a movie, free movie, and this is like a bonfire. You can make bonfire there.
No, they are glamping there.
Glamping. Those are
We are camping and they are glamping.
we are camping, and some other are like glamping. No?
Yes, glamping.
Yeah, those are glamping. Those are rich people, but this one is only 150 per person.
Rich people.
So both of us is 300. But if you have a tent, you no need to rent the tent. Huh?